Hey, how's it going? My name is Dr. Ashley Mack, founder of Ashley Mack Performance and Rehab. Today I'm going to teach you about the weighted or unweighted arm bar, which is going to be really helpful for those who are looking to improve their performance by developing more strength, stability, and coordination at the core, so then that way they can express their strength and power through their hips and their other joints. This is also a really useful tool for those who are experiencing some pain that is really kind of affecting their ability to move and partake in activities that they really enjoy. So this is a really great core exercise for people who have back pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, and even ankle pain as well. So it's a very, very powerful exercise. And on another video, I talked about the partial Turkish getup, which is really important when it comes to developing that strength and coordination. And that's where we're really focusing on the rotation up at the level of the shoulder. But today, the arm bar is going to be really focused more so on control and movement of the lower extremity and also the thoracic spine. So without further ado, this is how you're going to do this movement. You're going to first start up on your back, and you're going to have one hand up towards the ceiling, the other knee is bent, and then the free hand is up towards the ceiling. Once you're in this position, you're going to take your knee, you're going to pull it up to your elbow, and you're going to bring your leg across as you roll over onto your side. Once you're here, you're going to pull your shoulder blade back down, you're going to go hip to the floor, and then you're going to bring your foot back down to the floor as well. One thing to keep of note when you're doing this movement is to make sure that you pull your belly button down towards the floor to allow you to really make sure that you're bracing throughout this entire time. So it's going to go belly button towards the floor, knee up towards the elbow, bringing it across, and then you're going to roll it over to the side. On the way back, control it at the shoulder first, and then bring your foot down, and then that's when you continue on with that motion. From the side, just to show you what it looks like from that angle, you're going to have one hand up just to make sure that you're not rolling over it. Pull the knee up, bring it on over. Use your arm as your pillow as you're doing this arm bar. You can do this with the weight if you want. You can use a kettlebell, you can use a dumbbell. It doesn't have to be super, super heavy. It does give you an opportunity when you do have weight to get a little bit more feedback and help you understand where your body is in space. So if you are interested, go ahead and just add a little bit of weight at a time, just so that you can make sure that you're having control. I usually prescribe this exercise between 5 and 10 repetitions for 3 sets. It's an opportunity for your body to learn and develop its ability to stabilize, control, and to coordinate, which are going to be very, very important aspects when it comes to preventing pain from recurring and also improving athletic performance. So if you're interested, go ahead and try that out. 3 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions, and if it works, that's awesome. If it doesn't work, then speak with someone like myself or another strength coach or another medical practitioner, and they'll be able to help you. But if you are interested in getting in touch with me, click on the link below and we'll book an intro call, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.